Hello, welcome. Let's go through this question. This is a word problem. Remember, there's no specific criteria to pass in order to find solution to word problem. So let's read together and see how we can easily find a solution to this. A peacock is sitting on the top of a pillar which is 9 meters high. From a point 27 meters away from the bottom of the pillar, a snake is coming to its hole at the base of the pillar. Seeing the snake, the peacock pounces on it. If their speed are equal, at what distance from the hole is the snake caught? So this we need to make a sketch to represent their respective positions and see how we can deal with that. Let's see if we began by drawing the pillar. So let me see. If that is the pillar is going to be on the ground. So let's make the pillar on the ground. So if that is done, since the pillar is on the ground, it's going to be at what? 90 degrees, that is right angle with the ground. So this area will be 90. So peacock is going to be here at a distance of what? 9 meters. Alright. Now, we are having from a point 27 meters away from the bottom. This is the bottom of the pillar, 27 meters away. So we can say that the snake is also here, the distance of 27 meters. So if I do this, good. Snake is here, peacock is there. So if I use P representing peacock, S representing what? Snake, B as the base, right? Okay. So what is next? The pillar. The snake is coming. So the snake is here, walking towards the base, right? Is walking towards the base. So we are saying that the speed of the snake, as the snake is moving, if it's moving 2 meters, the peacock will also come 2 meters. Remember, the peacock cannot fly down immediately. He have to walk in conjunction to the snake, trying to meet the snake halfway before it gets to the hole. So if we can indicate the flying distance of the peacock, let's say it's going to be somewhere here, not drawn to scale, so we can have this diagram here. Okay, so peacock is there. Then the snake is traveling all the way, and they are saying that the distance that the peacock is flying is the same as the distance that the snake is what? How do you even check the walking of a snake? You can say down in the comment section. So the flying distance of the peacock is the same as the walking distance of what? The snake. So what do? We can represent here by x as the distance from here. Then distance from here will also be x, the same as what? The snake movement. What is left? So we just need what is the distance from the hole, this area. That is what we are asking to find. They said if their speed are the same, as what distance from the hole. So this space is what I'm looking for, and that space is subtracting this from 27. So 27 minus what? M. Is that M? That will be X. Okay, so now this is superb. So now that I am looking for this distance, and I have this, we can use Pythagoras what? Theorem. So using we know the longest side is going to be x squared equals to 27 minus x all square plus what? 9 square. That is the sum of the square of the two shorter side equals what? The square of the longer side, right? So this, we must expand this bracket. So we maintain our x squared. This is going to be 27 times 27. We have 49. This is 14 plus 4, 18. 4, 5, 9, 2, 7. So we have 729 as we square our 27. Twice their product, that is minus 54x, square the last, plus x squared plus 81. In grouping like terms, you can see x squared will become 0. So this will come as 54x equals to 81, 10, 0, 1, 8. We have 810. So what do? We now divide by what? 54. And when we press that on our calculator, that will be giving us what? 15. Meaning the value of x here, the distance the snake walk before getting to where the peacock cut him is what? Cut it is going to be 15 meters. But we are looking for the distance from the wall, the hole. So we can say that, therefore, the distance from the hole, that is here, where it was cut up, will be 27 minus what? 15. And that will give us 1 from here. So 1 and 2, right? So the actual distance that it is, the distance from the hole to where the peacock meets the snake is going to be 12 meters. But the distance from the snake to where the peacock cut it is going to be 15 meters. So the two come together to give you 27 meters. I know you can also find a different way of arriving at this answer. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section as we keep on learning together.